Hello and welcome. In this video, I will introduce this simple synthesizer built in TouchDesigner. The focus of this tutorial is on the different sections of the synth, how to control them, and practical usage. Open the ESC tags file. And then you have this interface. And you can easily press play to hear the sound. You can control the volume. Here is the sequencer, 8 steps of the sequencer. You can turn them on or off individually. And each step has its note controller, so you can change the melody. You have effect buttons here that can be combined with each other or used separately. Here is the speed. You can increase to get something like this, or decrease it to get something really slow. Then you have these controllers for the voices. You can easily notice the change. This is a reverb effect that you can turn it on all the way up. Or close it to 0. And these are also for the two combined sounds. You can control them separately to generate different sounds. And you have note mode here. That indicates the length of each note. For example, let's make it like this. And if I go fast, you can see it fades in and out fast. Instead of pulsing like this. And if you use slow and decrease the speed, you can hear longer notes. And the mood here also changes the sound. And you have record button here. You can actually simply click on that. Perform whatever you want. And then press it again. And you will have the MP3 file inside your TouchDesigner file. So this is it. And also a user manual available. That I recommend you to check it out. I explain everything here. You have the sections. Explanations here. And more useful data. You can download it from GitHub also. And this is it. Hope this helps you get how the synth works in TouchDesigner. The project file is included so you can open and tweak it. If you have any questions or feedback, just let me know. Please leave your comments and help me to develop this and go for future versions. Thank you. Goodbye.